Hello, guys, and welcome back to Out of Debt Now. I, of course, am not Diane Fisher, but I am her nephew. And while she's been busy working, I decided to do a guest video on investing, specifically something like GameStop. As you all have probably heard, there's the meme market happening right now. GameStop, uh, Bed Bath& and Beyond, AMC, they all are really shooting up. And I'm going to tell you, if you want to get on this, why you probably shouldn't, but if you do, not to not to go not to be stupid about it. For example, GameStop is up 134% today. That is incredibly high. And I think too high. I would stay away from GameStop because the moment that people short this thing and sell this thing, it creates a domino effect and it'll crash, absolutely crash. So definitely stay away from GameStop. But let's look at GameStop real quick. I mean, look at this. Just earlier this month, uh, it was like $19 a share. Then it just shot up to $347. I mean, that is insane. You can make millions of dollars if you caught it right here. So take a look at some of the other stocks that have the potential to beat GameStop due to these Reddit day traders. One of them that I actually bought, um, just a few shares because I'm not entirely sure what it's gonna do. So if I bought it planning to potentially lose money if it goes down, but I won't lose too much money. AMC. AMC is up $14 today. It's 301%. It's up to pre-pandemic levels. Before this, they were going to bankruptcy, and they actually, before it started going up like this, raised $971 million to get out of bankruptcy. Plus, now with their stock going like this, um, they're likely to be safe for the near future, hopefully, until hopefully they don't sell. Look at this one-year target, 244. If you go looking again, earlier this month, it's just $3 earlier this month. January 20th, that's 7 days. 1 week ago, it was 293. Now it's 1990, which is insane. Um, and I honestly don't know what it's gonna do, but if you wanted to try to get in this quick Reddit day trader type of thing, with these meme stocks, so we call it, I had to keep a close eye on this one because it's relatively low, AMC, and it's GameStop, the physical retail stores are going out of business. Movies will be back after the pandemic. I know people are gonna be like, oh, we can watch it on streaming services. Trust me, the box office is where the money is. Uh, HBO, Warner Brothers will quickly, once the pandemic's healthy, or once the economy is healthy, Warner Brothers will no, will cut off that HBO Max. But you realize though the simultaneous release on HBO Max and theaters is only good for a year. They only promise that for a year for just this year's movies. Meaning in 2022, they expect all the movies to be back in the movie theaters and the people to go over there and they'll be on HBO Max afterwards, but only in about like a month later after the theatrical run. Because the big dollars, the big business is in the movie theaters. And you can tell by these subscription counts uh, that that's the best way to go. Disney Plus for Mulan. Uh, People didn't like the premiere access nor did they like the movie Mulan, but when Mulan was free on December 4th on Disney Plus, it did a lot better business. But Mulan cost like $200 million to make. So it's good to stick that. Disney will definitely stick that in the movie theater when fully safe to do so, not allowed on Disney Plus until 3 months or so later, so it can get everybody to go pay um, that pay money for Mulan. So that's why I definitely think AMC honestly is actually a good long-term stock as well, potentially, because of that reason. GameStop, there's Steam, there's online gaming companies like Steam and stuff like that, where you don't really need to go to the store to buy stuff. Even if you want a physical copy, if I have a PlayStation, let's say I play NBA 2K, like sports games, right? If I wanted an NBA version of NBA 2K or 2K12 or whatever Madden, which I actually got a couple of years ago, I can just order it off Amazon, a new or used copy, and have it be here within 2 days because I'm a Prime member. So that again eliminates me from going to GameStop at all. So whenever the rally is over, and it will be over, it's gonna drop drastically, and I definitely don't think GameStop is a good long-term stock. It's definitely way overvalued. AMC, even if it goes up a lot, it still may be a little overvalued for what it's doing right now, but it can still be a pretty decent long-term stock because they will reinvent the movie theater. It will be back. They won't be on the streaming service. The movies will not be on the streaming service simultaneously like they are right now because it's just the money is in the movie theater. The subscriber counts and the constant release dates are still pushing. Even now, they're still pushing movie release dates back into 2022 because they realize putting them on streaming services is uh, not quite the financial gain to the studios. Um, it is people may like it, but it's not quite the financial gain to the studios that they like. And honestly, for someone like me, Wonder Woman and maybe even Soul, but definitely Wonder Woman, I didn't like that movie, but I really felt I still probably wouldn't liked it, but I would have felt that I can I would have felt like I had a much better experience if I saw it on a big screen. Multiple times watching that movie, I was like, "Man, I want I would like to see this, or this would be much better on a big screen." So that's another reason why I think AMC, well, yeah, much better in long term or any medium term anyway than GameStop would be because movies will be made, like new Avatar movies coming out. They're gonna be made in IMAX for IMAX theaters, which I only can't have those at home. You can only have those in AMC or not only AMC, but movie theaters. So definitely watch AMC. But another one that is popping up a lot is Bed Bath and Beyond. This is the last one that I've kind of been watching. It's another $16 today. Uh, Bed Bath& and Beyond was almost also in bankruptcy because they kept sending those 20% coupons like every single month to all their people. They actually stopped doing that because they had to save some money. And now people are investing in it. This is probably overvalued as well, but at least one of your targets 26.29. So there's double that now, but it's not like $2 or something like the other ones. Earnings per share is are down 182. This needs to be plus for it to be a good stock. You want to have more earnings per share, not less earnings per share. So I'm not too sure about Bed Bath& and Beyond. Again, I can live with that. I'm a dude, really, so I can live without going to Bed Bath& and Beyond. But even my mom, my stepmom, and a lot of other women I know don't go to Bed Bath& and Beyond. So I'm not sure about investing in this one, even short term, because I'm not entirely sure what's going to do. But yeah, that is my review and kind of yeah, my review and kind of thoughts and opinions on investing on these meme stocks, as they've been calling them. These grassroots campaigns to save these companies. AMC, in my opinion, of the major three right now, has the best chance. Any other stocks, if you guys like this, let me know in the comments below. And maybe we can make this like a kind of a weekly or every couple of days series where we go over meme stocks or just general stocks. If you like the investing in stock market, let me know. Let Diane know. And like this video, subscribe to Out of Debt Now because Diane has some really good stuff coming. There's plenty of stuff to get out of debt. She is getting out of debt herself. She's done a great job. She is on track to do it officially, pay off her last big thing and get out of debt later on this year. So um, definitely subscribe to her. Watch the other videos on this channel to get out of timeshare, um, why it's much better to buy versus lease a car, all these other great videos. Definitely check them out. Subscribe to the channel for more updates on getting out of debt, investing, and all the like, and just simple do-it-yourself um, tips to even make pies and other types of food and all this stuff you can do. So much stuff you can do at home that that you don't need it saves a trip to the grocery store, which saves maybe $5 or $10, which over a month can save $100. So $100 could be in your pocket, and maybe you can invest in a stock. So please go watch the other videos, subscribe, and I hope you like this video. Let me know if you want more in the comments below, and have a fantastic day.